Hi, Theo here from ElectroFX.com, bringing you the next video in my day trading series. On the board we have the Euro Dollar for February 10th, and what I'm looking at here is what I call a high-low breakout trade. Now, we started off the day looking at this area to see if it would react properly and give us a trigger to actually trade this south, but instead the area was broken, and the attention just shifted then, and instead of looking to trade the short, we're looking to trade the high-low breakout long and just continue on with this flow. So now that price has pulled back, the only requirement is that it pulls back to an area that has some clear order flow and activity in it, and this area that you see right here is that candidate. Now it's reacted once more and it's started to pull back, and this gives me the beginnings of an entry trigger, and I can now plot everything out using the trade manager in a set and forget fashion. So I'm going to plot a pending buy line right here. Price crosses that line, it's going to enter the trade. I'm going to place an X buy line here. So if price comes down right now and hits this line, the pending buy will be deleted and this trade will no longer happen at a later date. So just a little safety precaution there. If we do enter the trade, however, we are going to need a stop loss, and as a high-low breakout trade, best to just shoot for the 1-to-1, and we can plot that out right now by placing a take profit line and then just checking up top here. So risking 21 to get 20, risking 21 to get 21, so that's good, and I'm going to nudge it a bit further for good measure. So if price doesn't quite get to my take profit, I don't really want to lose that trade for being very close, so placing a lock profit trigger is my safety precaution there. And that's all we need to worry about right now. I will pause the video and get back to it at the next juncture. Okay, this trade has entered, and there's really nothing else to do other than be aware that you're in the trade and that everything still looks the same as how you were reading it at the time you plotted all of those lines. So the stop loss is in place, take profit is in place, so our lock profit line is there. We're in the trade, and I'll just pause the video and get back to it at the next juncture. Okay, this was an overnight trade and it actually exited several hours back, but as you can see it went straight to the take profit. We left a few pips on the table, but we really don't need to worry about that. The trade was a success and all of the rules were met. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and do stay tuned for more.